Can't find the exact graphics you are looking for to add in your coloring books? Then try this. Click on the Canva AI and add the exact graphics you are looking for. Then, once you added your instruction, select Create an Image, this one. Then you can also choose from different styles from here. Then choose your preferred size. Then once you're done, click on this arrow. And there you have it. To download, just click on this option here. You can also choose Edit if you want to edit it directly. If you ask me, can I sell this Canva AI as a digital product? Yes, you can sell Canva AI generated images, but only if you follow their content license rules. For example, if you use Canva AI to create graphics, for example, for a coloring book, you can sell that as long as the design is your own creation or modified enough and not just a raw AI image, okay? Want more Canva tips and hacks? Be sure to follow my page. See you in my next video. Bye!